Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mon Chawin, Level Up Your Creative Workflow. In today's quick Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you 3 different ways to outline a photo using strokes, from clean vector-style borders to glowing and layered effects. These techniques are perfect for making standout YouTube thumbnails, bold social posts, or anything where you want your subject to pop. Let's dive right in and make your visuals sharper than ever. Today, I'm going to show you 3 cool ways to outline a photo in Photoshop. Each one adds a different vibe and can seriously make your subject pop, whether it's for a YouTube thumbnail, a poster, or just leveling up your design game. All right, let's get into it. First, open up your photo in Photoshop. It doesn't matter what kind of background you have. This works with anything. We're going to start with a clean stroke directly around the subject. Go to the Select menu at the top and click Subject. Photoshop will do its thing and generate a selection. You'll see those marching ants around your person. If the selection is a bit rough, like it cuts off part of the hair or grabs some background, don't stress. Just go to Select, Modify, and Smooth, then set a radius value. I'll go with 5 for this example. You can adjust it based on how sharp or soft you want the outline. Without smoothing, your outline might end up all jagged or spiky in places. Not ideal. Now, on the left toolbar, switch to the Selection tool and right-click inside the selection. Choose Make Work Path. Leave the default settings and hit OK. Photoshop will convert your selection into a vector path. Nice. Now down in the Layers panel, click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Solid Color and pick any color. Doesn't matter, we're just using it as a base. Then grab the Path Selection tool, that black arrow in the left toolbar. Up top, set Fill to None, and then add a white stroke. Adjust the thickness by dragging the slider. Don't type it in, or you won't see real-time changes. Boom, clean outline done. All right, let's move on to the second outline style, the dashed line version. This one adds a bit of space between your subject and the outline. Plus, we'll use a dashed stroke for style. Repeat the first steps. Select Subject, select Modify. But this time, instead of Smooth first, go to Expand. Here's where we set how far the outline should sit away from the subject. I'll set mine to 25 pixels. If you're working with a high-res image like 4K or 8K, you might want more. Hit OK. Then smooth it just like before. Now do the same. Right-click, Make Work Path. Solid Color, Path Selection tool. But this time, head to the stroke settings on the top bar. You'll see Stroke Style. Click it. Here, you can choose dotted, dashed, or solid lines. Let's go with a dashed look. You can tweak it below. Set rounded corners. Adjust dash length, spacing, and so on. Play around until it looks just right. And just like that, you've got an offset, stylish, dashed outline. Now let's try something a bit more advanced. Now for something different. Let's outline just the shirt and make it glow. Choose the Object Selection tool. In Photoshop 2025, this tool's awesome. Just hover over the area and it shows a pink overlay. Click on the shirt. Again, go to Select, Modify, and Smooth. But just a little this time to keep the fabric details. Right-click, Make Work Path. Solid color. Now we want to create a glow. Start by darkening the image a bit. I'll use a levels adjustment layer. Then create new layer and set the layer mode to linear light. It makes glow effects punchier. Grab the brush tool and adjust the brush softness and opacity. Pick a color you like for the glow. If it's too strong, just lower the opacity until it feels subtle and clean. And paint along the path outline. Try a big, soft brush. Finally, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur to soften everything. And boom, glowing stroke effect done? And that's it. 3 unique ways to create outlines in Photoshop. You've got clean vector-style borders, stylized dashed strokes, and dreamy glowing edges. Use these techniques for thumbnails, ads, or any design where you want your subject to pop off the screen. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe. I've got tons more design tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.